Hello everyone, I am Navnath. Today I will explain with you abstraction in Java. In this topic we discuss what is abstraction, property of the abstraction, why we use abstraction class in Java or and some other point. First of all see what is abstraction. Abstraction means hiding. Some data hide by the users. Data means variable and method. By using abstraction, we can achieve some hiding data. Take an example of a bank. In bank, we open account and we can see the account balance, but we do not see the behind the method of the account. In behind method, the interest calculation or other account maintaining process can be done, but one we can see only the account balance. This example we use the abstraction. Syntax of abstraction. In for the creating abstract method, we use the firstly public use access modifier, then abstraction, and then class name. In abstraction, we can incomplete class are available. In class, only the body available. We do not see the body method or variable. For the using abstraction, we achieve this the property. In abstraction class, we can hide data or some method. In abstraction class need to be extend other class. By extending other class, we can implement the method in the abstraction. In implementation of this method, we use the abstract class may have the constructor, because the data variable using this variable may be public or other. So we do not create abstract class object because there have no variable to access, so we cannot declare object of the abstract class. We can only implement this class in other class by the implementing or extending this class in by the extending this class, we can achieve the abstraction in the method. These are the all about the abstraction. Thank you.